Hello everybody and welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we will be taking a closer look at a factory custom Lightning McQueen, being the Golden Cars 1 Lightning McQueen. This is an amazing factory custom. Of course this is not actually released by Mattel, but yeah, I wish they did release a Cars 1 Lightning McQueen that is golden. It does look pretty cool, especially from China at least. So yeah, without further ado, I guess we have to start on with this review. Don't need to add a picture where he appeared in the movie, because he didn't appear in the movie and he is literally the main character in Cars 1. So let's start off with this review. He's got this nice smiling expression at the front here. He is very happy to be in his gold special paint. We've got the 95 on the headlight here and the headlights on both sides. The headlight here is a bit scratched. I got this from a bundle previously, that's where I got it from, that's why it's like that. We got medicated rusty bumper ointment on the top, of course on the golden hood. We got the eyes here, which are blue eyes, and of course golden eyelids. On the top we can see 95 with of course the Lightning McQueen signatures on both sides, and of course the roof flaps. Window bars, Rusty's logo, which is actually inaccurate because it should say medicated bumper ointment underneath it, but we're just going to gloss over that with a gold spoiler at the back. On the side, Lightyear rims, looks pretty cool. We've got all the piston cup sponsors in gold as well, which looks absolutely amazing. Lightning bolt, which looks cool in the gold and red, love that. 95, we've of course got more Lightyear rims again. We've got spikes down here. We've of course got a fuel cap up here, which is not actually centered, but oh well. Rusty's again here. On the back we got the rookie stripe medicated bumper ointment as well, because McQueen is still a rookie in Cars 1. 95 on both sides, Rusty's, and of course gold. Here is the base. He does have a code, but he's not actually released from, of course, Mattel. There is some other factory customs Lightning McQueens out there that I do own, like the silver version. Maybe I'll do a video on that. It will literally be the same as the golden, but let me know in the comments if you want to see that. Here is a quick comparison against the Cars 1 Thailand Lightning McQueen, because you know, why not? It would literally be roughly the same, just that the red is now all in gold. So what I'm going to do, I'll be taking some photos now like I usually do in my videos, and I'll be right back with the outro. You to everybody who watched this far into the review of my factory custom Golden Lightning McQueen, comment down your thoughts on what you think of him. If you are new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and of course hit that bell notification down below. To the next one, peace guys.